Hi, this is Amber. I'm from Huttons and part of the Jadescape core team. There are many reasons why you should get yourself a home here at Jadescape. One of the key considerations with it being so close to the MRT and right in the middle of the school zone. But many of you will also be curious as to what the layout is going to be like. We have 1 to 5 bedroom types, and each of these will be on display at our sales gallery. So check out the next part of my video to find out more. So this is the site plan for Jadescape. The land size of the development is almost 400,000 square feet, and it's being bounded here by the Thomson Garden Estate, Marymount Road, as well as Shunfu Road. In total, there are 7 blocks of north-south facing units, each ranging from 21 to 23 stories high. And the development's architect is the renowned Paul Noritaka Tange. He's an architect who has designed buildings all over the world, including Japan's Cocoon Tower, and he is a registered architect both in Singapore and Japan. So from Jadescape, you are very near to the MRT station. The Marymount MRT station is just 250 meters away by foot. At the Jadescape's show flat just opposite Bishan Junction 8, we have 5 show units with each representing the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 bedroom types. Here we have the 1 bedroom layout, and by just eyeballing the various floor plans, you can see that the design of each layout is really efficient and maximizing livable space. At the show flat, we're going to have this 2-bedroom deluxe layout on show. Typically, the 2-bedroom units are the most popular during new launches for investors. So this is one open kitchen concept layout for the 2-bedroom units. This is the 3-bedroom deluxe layout at the Jadescape sales gallery. You can see that the main door is over here, and it opens up into a privacy foyer. Over here at the balcony, you can also open up both ends so that you have cross ventilation. The developer Qingjian has a requirement of being able to fit at least in the master bedroom, a king-size bed with 2 side tables, and a queen bed with 1 side table in the common rooms. This is the 4-bedroom deluxe show flat type at Jadescape. Again, you will note that the main door opens out into privacy nook over here. And also, for most of the layouts, you don't have too many bathrooms. Even though this is a 4-bedroom deluxe, you only have 1 master bedroom bathroom here, 1 bathroom here that can be shared by the common bedrooms, and 1 more toilet here in the utility area. And finally, we have the 5-bedroom suite on display at the Jadescape sales gallery. It's very decently sized, being over 2,000 square feet of space, and both the master bedroom and master junior are tucked on the opposite ends of the space. Qingjian is providing Jadescape homeowners with a full digital lifestyle in each of the different layout types, and I'm sure you'll be very impressed when you visit us at the sales gallery. Please download my VIP Priority Pass or connect me via phone or any other social media platforms. I hope to see you at the sales gallery. Goodbye!